When a man makes a decision to interact in a relationship, he regularly overwhelms his accomplice with promises, developing a state of affairs wherein she in no way fears dropping him. However, there are lesser acknowledged secrets and techniques which have the strength to instill real worry in a woman, changing the dynamics of the relationship. In today's video, we can discover those simple, practical, and rather powerful secrets and techniques that may be incorporated naturally, without the want for developing compelled situations. If you need to find out them, be a part of me till the realization of this charming video. Let's get started. Number 1. Shows that you are moving. When we need to save you a female from demanding approximately dropping something with inside the courting, it's essential now no longer to live still. Even if the connection goes properly and there aren't any challenges, habitual can set in quickly. Therefore, it is important to do not forget that everyone is unique. Stay active, pursue your interests, display that your lifestyles is constantly evolving and may not prevent to evolve to hers. It's difficult to discover guys who keep their identities after the begin of a courting. Often, they sacrifice the whole thing to make the female happy. However, be cautious as this may weaken the connection. Every courting desires a chunk of fear, a healthful jealousy. This way, the female will constantly sense inspired to make contributions extra to the connection. Number 2. Discover new paths inside the pursuit. Entering a relationship shouldn't entail sacrificing your identity. Often, men lose sight of their values and aspirations when they fall in love, focusing solely on pleasing their partners. Yet, this surrender comes with risks. By nurturing your own passions and goals, you not only enrich your individuality, but also deepen the relationship. Demonstrate to your partner that despite being together, each person maintains their space and distinctiveness. This approach not only cultivates mutual respect, but also fuels a shared desire for meaningful engagement and experiences. Remember, true harmony in relationships thrives on embracing diversity, creating a foundation for lasting and fulfilling bonds. Number 3. Maintain friendships that are exclusively yours. Maintaining friendships exclusively your own and cultivating a social circle separate from your partner is crucial for preserving your individuality. Many men, upon entering a relationship, often neglect or sever these friendships because their partner disapproves. However, it's vital to recognize that a man's true strength lies in balancing both friendships and romantic commitments. By nurturing your friendships, you enhance your life with diverse experiences and perspectives. This not only reinforces your personal identity, but also enriches your relationships with stories and lessons to share. Remember, a healthy relationship thrives on mutual respect and independence. Yielding to a partner's desires at the expense of your values undermines the dynamic of masculinity in the relationship. A woman respects a man who maintains his friendships and stands firm in his convictions. By asserting your autonomy and not sacrificing your connections to conform, you encourage mutual growth in the relationship. It's about fostering equality rather than placing your partner on a pedestal and passively accepting everything they demand. Number 4. Dedicate enough attention to yourself. It's a common scenario that when entering a relationship, men often start neglecting their own self-care. Over time, many men abandon crucial habits of personal grooming and well-being, allowing their appearance and health to deteriorate. This lack of attention can create a comfort zone for their partner, who may perceive a decline in their own self-esteem and feel secure in the relationship. I know someone who experienced this firsthand. Initially undervalued in the relationship, they almost felt like two friends coexisting under the same roof. However, once they began investing more in themselves, taking care of their body, and showing interest in personal style, the dynamic shifted. The partner, previously indifferent, became insecure upon noticing the increased attention their partner received due to self-care efforts. Therefore, it's important not to neglect self-care even within a relationship. By prioritizing your well-being, you consistently present a challenge to your partner, keeping the relationship dynamic lively with the constant reminder of your self-worth. Remember, self-care isn't just about looks. It reflects self-esteem and reinforces your value in any relationship. I hope these insights have sparked your interest and provided valuable ideas for enriching your relationships. If you found this advice helpful and want to continue improving your skills, please like, share with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more exclusive content. We're committed to helping you build deeper, more meaningful connections. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.